Royal jelly is a milky white secretion made by nurse bees in their head glands. It's not for everyone, only the queen bee gets it for life. This exclusive diet transforms an ordinary larva into a queen, giving her the power to lay thousands of eggs and live for years, while worker bees last just weeks. Royal jelly is packed with proteins, vitamins, and unique compounds that trigger the queen's development. Without it, there would be no queen, and no future for the hive. Scientists still don't fully understand royal jelly's complex chemistry, but its effects are clear. It's a biological switch that determines a bee's destiny. Imagine if feeding one baby a special milk made her grow bigger, live longer, and become the mother of all. That's what royal jelly does for bees. The hive's ability to produce and use this substance so precisely is a marvel of evolution. Nutrition shapes the queen, and the queen shapes the colony. This simple-looking goo is one of nature's great wonders. It's the secret to the hive's survival and the art of raising royalty. Bees have perfected this process, ensuring their colony always has a strong leader. When a colony needs a new queen, worker bees act fast. They select a few young larvae and move them into special peanut-shaped queen cells. These chosen larvae are fed royal jelly in abundance, unlike their sisters. This rich diet triggers genetic changes, turning them into potential queens. The first queen to emerge seeks out and destroys her rivals. There can only be one. If two queens hatch at once, they fight to the death. The old queen's fate depends on the situation. She may leave with a swarm to start a new colony, or be replaced if she's failing. Swarming is how bees naturally reproduce colonies. If the old queen is replaced, the process is called supersedure. Sometimes the workers allow the old queen to live out her days, other times she's killed. This brutal efficiency ensures the colony always has a strong leader. The making of a queen is a high-stakes event, driven by the hive's survival instinct. It's nature's way of ensuring only the fittest rule. For beekeepers, queen cells can signal trouble. Usually the colony is preparing to swarm. Swarming means losing half the bees and a smaller honey harvest. To prevent this, beekeepers often destroy queen cells, tricking bees into abandoning their swarming plans. This keeps the colony strong and productive for honey season. Destroying queen cells is also about genetic control. Beekeepers may want gentle, productive bees, so they replace natural queens with ones bred for specific traits. This is artificial selection, choosing which genetics continue. It's a way to manage temperament and productivity, especially in large operations. For commercial beekeepers, this control is essential. Destroying queen cells is a calculated move to keep hives predictable and efficient. It turns wild colonies into manageable livestock. Destroying queen cells isn't risk-free. If the old queen is failing, stopping the bees from raising a new one can doom the colony. A hive without a healthy queen will eventually die out. Preventing swarming also disrupts the bee's natural cycle, which helps control pests like varroa mites. Swarming gives the hive a break from brood, interrupting the mite's life cycle. Relying on commercial queens reduces genetic diversity, making bees more vulnerable to disease and stress. Locally raised queens carry diverse genes, boosting resilience. Destroying natural queens for convenience can be short-sighted. Bees have managed their colonies for millions of years. Nature's methods are tried and tested. Human interference, even with good intentions, can have unintended consequences. Sometimes, it weakens the very bees we're trying to help. The debate over destroying queen cells raises ethical questions. Are we managing bees or meddling with nature? Removing a queen cell ends a potential queen's life and overrides the colony's collective decision. Favoring commercial queens narrows the gene pool, making bees less adaptable to change. Beekeepers must balance productivity with the bee's natural instincts. Destroying queen cells is seen by some as responsible management, by others as interference. The best approach may lie in the middle, using queen cells to create new colonies, mimicking natural swarming. This respects the bee's instincts while keeping the apiary strong. Ultimately, each beekeeper must decide, are we keepers of bees or their masters? That answer will shape our future with these vital insects.